Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, I am going to show you how we can deal with an error, which is actually a bug inside Quartus, and that error is this macro. This file has stopped working here, like it is pausing at line 12. Okay, and the reason for this error is we can see the error loading design as well. That's why the simulation is not running right now. And if we scroll up, we are going to see module stimulus, which is actually the module name of my test bench, does not have a time unit time precision specification in effect, but other modules do. So this is also the error which is shown here. So this is the error which you are going to see once you are going to run your code, which is actually previously working. This code was previously working on different softwares, and even in Questa, once I was using only Questa separately, it was working. But once I tried to compile and simulate my code through Quartus, then I saw this error. So that means there is a bug inside Quartus. There is nothing wrong with your code. Actually, the way the simulation commands go inside Quartus, the way they are made, actually they cause this error. And let me show you now inside your verilog or system verilog code what would be the reason that would be causing this error. So inside Quartus, so I have defined this module DFF like this. So wherever in your code something like this would be there, so this would be actually the cause that it would make that error happen. And if I am going to show you my test bench file as well, so we can see here the test bench also written as well. So in the test bench, the way we have defined here the timings, even here the timings, these would be the reasons for causing that error. So in your any test bench, like your test bench can be longer than this as well. This is a very short test bench, but wherever these things would be given inside the initial blocks and the original code would have this, the error would come. But in order to cure this error inside your code, the change which you need to do is this. Just place this one code line time scale directive in this way, and then this code is going to work inside Quartus as well. So let me now save and compile this code. Let's close this as well. So now after saving and compiling the code, we can see the compile design process has finished, and now we can try and run the simulation. So go to tools, run simulation tool, RTL simulation. So now the simulation window has opened again. So we can see our waves, and we can go here in the transcript window and we no longer can see those messages. We are going to find some weird messages like this: warnings, actually missing connection for port PRN, missing connection for port Q, and we are going to see too few port connections for UUT. So expected 5, found 3. Once we are going to go here and see, we have actually only 3 ports in our design as well, and we have given here 3 as well. So this is also a weird kind of a error which you are going to see, or a warning. Actually, this is not an error, so you can just ignore this warning. Your code is going to work fine, although you can see here at the output queue you are no longer seeing a waveform. So you have your input, your clock is also given, but the output you can't see. But once you are going to run your code, you would be able to see that the code is going to work fine, whatever is your project about. So thank you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.